You hear me? For some reason, my Tradeovate is being weird on my actual desktop app, so I'll be trading on Google Chrome. I don't know what was going on. It wouldn't let me in. But anyway, righty. You ready to pass your eval today? So these lines, there is buy side liquidity that just broke, busted through. We got midnight open, this white line, and then sell side down there. So massive 15-minute fair value gap here. Trump speaking last night didn't really do much, a lot of consolidation. So today's going to be very interesting what price decides to go. Right now, it looks like it's just going to the moon. See what it does here. It already took previous day highs and then previous week highs. Highlight that. Probably this might be the target. 25,420. It's pretty blank up this way. I mean, this is the only target I can think of. I would just let's load that one since it expires next week. And I would hold off on your fresh two. I'd wait, but right now it's just being way over. I don't want it to a little bit of pullback correction. Do just the one. I would. If I was you, I would 40 in, stop of how much you have left. Yeah, I mean, wait to a good. We need a good trend. Like right now, it's just consolidating. So we may be looking for an entry here because I wanted to push down to like this area. Me to take a long stop loss kind of here. It's somewhere in this vicinity, and then there's your pass number. So it wouldn't have to travel far. How much you have to give, but 1,000. That's why you kind of want to let this kind of phase out a little bit. Stay away from the long wicks, long bars like this, because you'll get stopped out pretty quick, especially if you're doing 40. I mean, that's not a big gap at all. Half a candle right now. And that's what happened to me on Monday. Start losing momentum here. This is just ripping. Gosh. It, jumped on the 9:30 candle. Holy cow. This is just, oof. So this isn't this isn't my model to chase here. Can't justify a. All I see is just ripping to the moon. But if you look at next target, it's way up there. There's the open at 25, 150, 25, 420. I mean, it could, but never straight up. It's never going to go straight up. So I need a good pullback before I get into something. Here, I'd be okay with. 15-minute February you got there. More structure there. See what 10 o'clock brings us. See if this cool down a little bit. Let all the big money market movers do their thing, and we'll scalp after. Something like that. There we go. Oops. That's better. I was like, why is my screen so small? There. Way better. Like 170 points in like 20 minutes. Everybody had their orders locked and loaded. I got any news today, is there? Forgot to check. If you want to look at news, I go to forexfactory.com and I filter out just the US news and it'll show you if there's a yellow, orange, or red folder. Nothing today. Unemployment tomorrow at 8:30. And of course, PMI on Friday. Nothing crazy. It's kind of been a quiet week. Oh yeah, end of month. So very, very quiet. 6 minutes. Price to come back to at least 25,274. Do I mean you probably don't even need to put a stop loss because it'll just flag you out, but take profit. You need around there to pass that one. Profit there. 5298. See, so since it's been overbought since 9:30, I see a little tiny sell off here. We're so far in a premium. Next, that's going to be our entry target now. I'm going to keep moving it up. Trailing entry I'm looking for. Because right now it's starting to go a little sideways here. A little consolidation before the move. Does tappy, tappy, tappy. Three closer. So what I want to do, I want uh, I mean come close to this. A wick, come close to this retest. So right now it's so overvalued. Got to be a sell off somewhere coming. 6 closer. Creeping. Get ready because it could happen fast. Let's push down here. Long wicks. Here we go. 9 to 9. Bro, oh no, it's gonna have to climb. There's the push down. Come on, come on. We don't want it to go too far. We don't want a reversal. Let's see. Get that range, but I want to see a green candle, red, a little bit further than what I wanted it to. That's fine. Let's build up some momentum, take some liquidity. There's a 1 minute fair value gap here that it could bounce off. See what it wants to do here. Up, up, maybe, maybe. So if this candle rips green, get in it. It closes. Till it closes. Finger on the trigger. Till it closes. Close. I want a green. Give me something green. What's to do? I want this to. It's in the range where I feel like it's going to go up, but I need a good confirmation breakaway candle, preferably green. But a green candle at least close here in the next one, kind of start the uptrend. Right now, it's just flatlining. Not what I wanted to happen. Why we wait. This is why we don't get in. Fake out run here. Build some strength. Now, a green candle, and I needed close, and then a new candle start in this area. Get out of these little tiny equal highs right here. Start trending. Right now, it's going this way. Probably sitting in that range. I just got a breakout. Get out of it. You're it's perfectly where I wanted price to retest. Like it is right there, but just pick a direction. If it goes down and it breaks the way down, I'll take a short. I mean, if it goes up, I'll take a long. I mean, I don't hold my bias permanently all day. I mean, whatever it wants to give me, I'm gonna take it. So if we need to go up, let's go up. If we need to go down, let's go down. Let's pick a damn direction. 5 minute, 15 minute, two. Like just dip and go. Unless I need a long dip and go. So like right here. Touch this little 1 minute fair value gap that we got here. Test that. Just do a major sell off. noise, and my daughter says, "Sorry." It's not your fault that there's a big sell-off. Hey, I mean, I will switch to shorts in a heartbeat. So it's tapping the top of this tiny fair value gap here. Side 50 line on it. Here, I can draw it for you. Get a tiny little bit of fair value gap. It stays above the 50. It usually stays. If it drops below, buys below, it's void, void it. But it respected it. Still need price. Yeah, strange where it's headed right now. So let's see. You got to watch out for a failure swing though, a little fake out. Usually that happens when it kind of dives, and we usually have like a the real fake out, then the real move. Not sure about this. There's a lot of battling going back and forth here, eating people's stop losses out, long wicks, reaching. 930 was my motto. God, we've been rich. I don't trade the 930 because it could go. Give me directions in 2 seconds. That's how people blow accounts. I've blown accounts chasing a 930. Yeah, lesson learned there. Call it paying the tuition. If people got stuck in this trap right here, people like to blow up their screens. People like, oh gosh, you're down. Oh, we got an art nice green candle. Yes, and boom, stops it. Stops it. Look at this long wick. Stop it. Yeah, that's why we don't chase the one long green candle. Looks nice, but in my opinion, it's. I think it's still gonna test this fair value gap here. That's a new daily high. Left midnight open way down here, and it could reference midnight open. I mean, that could have been the high of the day, and we could just kind of trickle all the way down, touch midnight open, or we can previous week high. It's up here. Seems a little bit more feasible. Beaches, oh my gosh. It's a good thing. I mean, the push up, it's showing be bullish. All right, this could be the fake out here. So we don't believe in this candle right now. Nice. So basically, I want here a candle kind of body past this. Next candle, just barely touch it. Next candle up. Like that's my confirmation right now. So body past this. New candle doesn't go back into past this. If it just touches it briefly or gets close to it, and the next candle's green, and doesn't go towards it, that's my entry. A little trap there. See? Down here, nice green candle open, shot up. People probably thought it was a nice little scalping and down. I know people say there's no like patterns because it's all a zillion different, but man, that's being on here every day for the last 6 months, 3 sessions a day. Yeah, you see things, but then you get surprised at the same time. Shit happens where anything can happen, but I can't make any mistakes with these new evals. Trading NQs and trading both contracts at the same time, and lost $500 in like 2 seconds. Didn't even realize NQ was on there. So any of those mistakes that cost me big time. That's out. All right, so I need this stay. This body's great. Doesn't need a. I mean, any body above this blue line here. That's what I like to see. Next candle, I don't want it to cross back over it. I want it to stay up there. The wick could kiss. The wick could barely go across it. I don't want no body of the candle passing this blue line. If it does that, next candle's green. I'm gonna enter. If you're doing the Kazi, I mean, you're just gonna try to let it ride till it gets back up here. But if I was you, take partials out. So, if it's riding, it's going up. Here, sell 10. I mean, all you do is go to just hit the sell button. Take 10. And then if it's still going, I mean, at that point, you could drag your stop to break even. So it's a free trade. You're just collecting money now. Goes up a little bit more, sell 10 more. So a little more, sell 10 more. Start accumulating money. I mean, you still have rest of today, tomorrow, Friday. So you don't have to win it all right now. Why? See what it just did? Body past it, but the next candle bodied back below this. Hit again. Be there. Seconds. Closes. For the next candle. If it just rips, I don't trust it because those are good. It's going to be a little swing and back down. I want it to push back down. Actually, yeah. Swing here. If it shoots across the, if it shoots past this, I'm gonna take a contract trade. I wouldn't do the kamikaze there. I might just pick a nice one, but I still think it's gonna test it. I mean, it did go up, so I will give it a little bit of grace here. Go. There we go. The next candle's green, and it starts shooting up, pushing the button. Tested. So that's close. Close for me. And I want the same thing for a green. Come close. Take off. So if it passes this, hold, hold, hold. Body and close, not wick. Body and close past this eye. That's an ugly candle. That's an ugly green candle. Look at that. Oh, 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 oh. Let's see. Let's see. So we don't take that trade. If we were to take that runner, we would have been our order would have been right here. Now I'm not looking for home runs, but gosh, probability that was coming down. Like I said, it left my range, but the next green candle didn't retest it, and I knew it was going to come down, and that's a little bit of a fail there. This candle turns green. It doesn't do that. As long as it doesn't body. If it wicks, I'm okay. I might have an injury. But that's what you call a bull trap. Right there. Failure swing. Market just made a bunch of money with that move right there because everybody thought, oh, look, it's going to go up. Let's get in this trade. And everybody's dead. In reality, that little move here, what, $50 maybe? You're risking the house, 800, but scheme of things, you don't put the house. Yeah, $50. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Okay. That's fantastic. Give it to 11. I don't see anything 11. Fortunately, happened at 9:30. The rest of the video, look at the chart. I had to go take the expedition, get maintenance this morning, so I didn't even have time to chart. I literally got home at like 9:15 ish. Kids and everything. Anything pre-market. At 9:30. Get this consolidate back and forth here. Which, I mean, not for the kamikaze. I mean, I would probably, if I was you, I don't foresee an entry for that. Usually, you want to hit that on the big runs, so it doesn't, bounce back and forth on you. Like if this happened, like here and started ripping, because you're less likely to get stopped out because you don't have that much to work with. So if I was you, I would probably switch on over to your other two fresh ones. So maybe we can look for a good scout. No, $100, $200 or something. Couple contracts, cut risk. Right now, I mean, now it's on the opposite side of my range. So let's see. That's a nice short here. Kind of the same thing, but opposite. So that's my line. It's kissing the line. It's red. This starts to break away. Get just a little short. Two contracts, risking $60. Make $100. Copy trading. Eight times that. Two. It's $200. Reality of things. 20. So in reality, $100 is fine with me. So this might. A Play-Doh. Where's the other Play-Doh? Did you ever play this game as a kid? With a crocodile and the teeth? My kids are completely terrified of it. They won't even play it. That'd be fun, and they, they won't even hit the. Giving my kids anxiety at age of 4 and 2. Put on the Xanax by the time they're 10. Daddy made me touch the alligator teeth. Yeah. Anyway, so we'll go get some. Did you hear a train? What's a train? What kind of noise does a train make? Choo choo. I don't know why I drew that 'cause I feel like it's gonna get disrespect anyway. Point it out. Let's see. That 50. Kind of looks like it might just sell off. There's your high. Here. Took some liquidity. High. Failed. Sell off here. Dip. Tried. Maybe we'll go get some. Go to the store. But no? You don't want to go to the store? Me neither, but you don't like the store? Me neither. They take all my money. It's, you know, see that price action be like in between two fair value gaps. Dead man zone right here. The dead zone. I need price to go this way for shorts. And to be here. Side of that. Side of a 5 minute fair value gap. Or here. Only bearish fair value gap. Plenty of bullish fair value gaps. Where this this whole range is a 5 minute fair value gap. Where am I? This whole range, 80. I'll take a trade today. It's any money. So a zero, she counts as a win. It's outside of the 930. You look really, yeah, that'd been great. But again, if you go back test and study 930 open for the whole year, you'll see the first like 5 minutes is like so risky. This one drop. Okay, we took it and it reversed on us here. That's a few $100 is done. And the problem with Apex, you got your drawdown. So they would have counted profit here, even if you took a loss and you were in and you lost $500 plus what you gained, that would have been $1,000 loss. So that's why we don't chase those, because Apex counts where price is at. Even if you don't take profit or not, it still counts as your drawdown. That's why we don't chase here. This is why people blow accounts all the time, because they don't understand that rule. Even if you're up and you hold and it drops all the way down, even if you break even, you still took that big loss of what you could have had. So that's what I call gamblers. Don't gamble. So too risky here. Maybe on this chop. I mean, still very low probability. I would have loved any kind of retest here to give me a little bit more confirmation. So just run up. This is what we call the accumulation of orders from the news last night. I mean, everybody put their orders in. Asian didn't really show anything, and they just disperse. I mean, you had some sellers, you had some buyer there, and whatever. And then it hit the daily high. It was 10 o'clock. Nothing to trade. I mean, taking a quick short here, maybe. Long wicks, a little dangerous. Then here, $50 here. If you got out in time and got it in early, because you bam, that candle happens so fast. I'll draw some entry lines for you so you can kind of see what I'm looking at. trailing the price moves. There. So this is my bullish entry line and my short entry line, my long entry line. So body past it, awesome. See what this candle does. I mean, in reality, it didn't body go back into it after it bodied. So hold up. Might be looking at just a quick short here. I need to just do one contract. $50. Stop loss at this line. It, it broke structure here. So this is body below. So that's a break of structure. See if it holds. See if it holds. Side of that 5-minute frame rate I get to, which is bottom 280. Yeah, I'm gonna get a short here. Yeah, one contract. Put my stop loss at that line. Hmm. Stop loss 307. Already ripping. Stop loss. Cut risk. So I'm gonna be sliding down my stop pretty heavy. So I'm dragging a 305. See, target. Looks pretty strong. I might go down to here. 2R. This consolidation here. That's a top. See what happens. Remember, cut risk. Okay, retest this line again. I'm fine. Tests it, bounces off. Red. The stronger trade. Starts bodying below this. I'm gonna get out. What's in the 8? Already cut risk, so I'm only like $52 on the trade right now. Do not like that reaction. Do not like that reaction. Let's see. Invitations. Yeah, thank you. See, stop loss is at 303 down, right at the bottom of that fair value gap. Let's see. Probably get wicked. Let's see. Duty call. So I'm gonna let this ride. Boom. Oh, I mean, it's price action is and it's 11. So we tried. I mean, looked good. Structure, just right through it. Just like no red candles here. It's like brake structure. I don't think so. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like it's trending down. I mean, it's just looking like it just wants to slowly, but man, it's choppy, choppy. It's 11:30. That's when Europe is getting out of there. So balancing in the back of that fair value gap. Yeah. So again, down, test, down, slightly test. What do you think? Up or down? Up or down? Up or down? I'm gonna end stream. I don't see anything going on here, so we'll be back for the PM session. Peace out.